Reality as you know it is not as strong as you think. Everything around you is moldable, and for this, we have the best tool of all, our words. Everything that surrounds you has been created first in your mind, and then has materialized around you. Today, we will take a journey through your being, where we will reveal the hidden power that resides in our words and thoughts. Enter with us into the mysterious world of the law of attraction and the power of words, and discover how our words can become a bridge between our deepest desires and the reality we want to create. Stay until the end. Since time immemorial, various cultures and traditions have recognized the significant impact that words have on our lives. Beyond simply being tools of communication as we have been taught, words have the power to shape our experiences, our relationships, and our environment. One way to understand this concept is through the already proven theory that everything in the universe is made up of energy, and words are no exception to the rule. In fact, numerous scientific studies have shown that words can influence emotional state, behavior, and even the molecular structure of things. In spiritual and metaphysical practice, words are believed to have the power to manifest reality. The idea is that by verbalizing certain intentions, desires, or positive affirmations, we are sending energy out into the universe that can attract situations, people, or circumstances aligned with those words. This concept is commonly known as the law of attraction or positive thinking. Concepts that, although they are deeply connected to the spiritual world, have many bases in the scientific world. But we cannot deny that these are a double-edged sword. Words can also have a negative impact if they are used in a destructive or harmful way. Criticism, insults, or words loaded with negativity can create a toxic environment and generate emotional pain in those who receive them. Even the words we say to ourselves, in the form of self-criticism or self-devaluation, can affect our self-esteem and our perception of ourselves. Therefore, it is important to be aware of the power of our words and how we use them in our daily lives, both internally and externally. Only when we become aware of the energy that our words transmit can we cultivate more positive, loving, and constructive communication with ourselves and others, which translates into an improvement in our relationships and our quality of life, and can contribute to creating a more harmonious and compassionate world for everyone. In this sense, by speaking consciously and aligning our words with our intentions, we are sending a message to the universe about what we want to experience in our lives. For example, if we constantly tell ourselves that we are capable, worthy, and deserving of success and happiness, we are sending a signal to the universe that reflects those beliefs. However, this process is more complicated than it seems. Manifestation through language goes beyond simply repeating positive affirmations. It requires a genuine commitment to our intentions and a consistency between what we say and what we really believe and feel inside. If our words conflict with our underlying beliefs, our manifestation simply won't work. Since it generates an incoherence that makes it impossible for the law of attraction to work. This law suggests that what we think, feel, and express attracts similar experiences and circumstances into our lives. Simply put, like attracts like. This law is based on the idea that the universe is made up of energy, and that our own energies, made up of thoughts, emotions, and vibrations, interact with this universal energy to create our reality. According to the law of attraction, if we maintain positive thoughts and high emotions, we will attract positive and abundant experiences into our lives. On the contrary, if we focus on negative thoughts or feelings of scarcity, we will attract experiences that reflect those negative vibrations. The key to using the law of attraction effectively is to be aware of our thoughts and emotions and align them with what we truly want to manifest in our lives. This involves two key points. First, cultivating a positive mindset, visualizing our goals and desires clearly, and focusing on what we want instead of what we don't want. And second, make those desires part of us and feel good, and be in a state of gratitude and appreciation for what we already have in our lives. These positive emotions act like magnets that attract more positive things to us, and all thanks to the element that brings us together today, Words. Recognition of the power of words in creation has long been a recurring theme in cultures around the world. And it has been central to mythology, religion, and spiritual traditions throughout history. In Greek mythology, for example, the story is told of Prometheus, who gave life to human beings by modeling them with clay and then breathing life into them. A narrative that highlights the power of words and breath as creative forces. Similarly, in Egyptian mythology, the creator god Ptah is believed to have created the world through the spoken word, shaping reality with his power of utterance. In religious traditions, the sacred writings of many cultures contain references to the power of words in creation. In the Christian Bible, for example, it is told how God created the universe with the word, saying, "Let there be light," and the light existed. Furthermore, in Hinduism, it is believed that the god Brahma created the universe through the primordial sound, Om, which is considered the cosmic vibration that gives rise to everything. And beyond organized religions, many spiritual traditions and philosophies also recognize the power of words in creation. For example, in Buddhism, the importance of cultivating positive thoughts and words is taught to create a more harmonious and peaceful reality. In the teachings of Taoism, the concept of Wu Wei, or non-action action, stands out, which involves the conscious use of words and intention to flow with the natural course of life and creation. And we could spend all day naming examples about the power of words, but we are not here for that. We are here to take advantage of that power. And for this, we find the incredible positive affirmations. Positive affirmations are statements or phrases used to reinforce positive thoughts, beliefs, and emotions. These affirmations are designed to change a person's perception and attitude towards themselves and the world around them. The practice of positive affirmations is based on the premise that our thoughts and words have creative power and can influence the reality we experience. When we use positive affirmations, we are sending a clear and specific message to the universe about what we want to manifest in our lives. An important aspect of positive affirmations is that they must be formulated in positive terms and in the present. For example, instead of saying, "I hope to be happy someday," we could say, "I am happy and fulfilled right now." This way we are focusing on what we want to experience in the present, rather than postponing our happiness for the future. We are no longer simply imagining being happy, we are decreeing it. We know that it is a reality that will appear in front of us sooner or later. Positive affirmations must be credible and realistic for the person using them. It is important that the subconscious mind is able to accept and process the statement as true. For example, if someone is working on improving their self-esteem, a statement like, "I love and accept myself as I am," may be more effective than an overly positive but not credible statement, such as, "I am the most incredible person in the world." The best thing about these affirmations is that they can be used in various areas of life, such as health, relationships, financial abundance, and personal growth. They can be repeated out loud, written in a journal, or simply recited in your mind throughout the day, no matter what strategy you choose. The key is to practice them with consistency and conviction, so that they can begin to have a positive impact on our lives and our reality. This tool goes hand in hand with another equally powerful one, which combined gives shape to the true law of attraction, the one capable of fulfilling our dreams. Visualization involves creating a clear and vivid mental image of our goals and desires. By visualizing correctly, we imagine ourselves experiencing the desired results, feeling the emotions associated with those results, and visualizing all the details of the situation in a realistic and detailed way. This practice is what allows us to align our minds and our emotions with what we want to manifest in our lives. And it works because of a very curious fact. Our subconscious mind cannot distinguish between what is real and what is imaginary. The key to effective visualization is to involve all the senses in the process. We don't just see the mental image, we also focus on feeling the emotions associated with those results. For example, if our goal is to get a promotion at work, We can visualize ourselves in the moment we receive the news, feeling the excitement, joy, and pride that would come with that achievement. Emotions play a crucial role in the manifestation process, as they are the driving force that drives our energy and intention towards our goals. In this way, we are sending a powerful signal to the universe about what we want to experience in our lives. However, it is important to note that visualization and emotion are not enough on their own. None of them will work if you don't put the third step into practice: action. Action is a crucial part of the manifestation process, as it demonstrates our dedication and commitment to our desires and goals. It is the peak of our manifestation, since it is the last step that separates you from your dreams. What differentiates this action from the rest of the people is that it is an inspired and focused action. You know exactly what you should do because you have already visualized it in your mind. You're prepared to meet your goals. You just have to take what the universe has prepared for you. Use your affirmations, your visualization, and your action, and nothing can stop you. What do you think about this topic? Leave your opinion in comments. If you made it this far, I want to thank you for watching the video. If you like this type of content, don't hesitate to support the channel with your like and subscription. I also invite you to take a look at our other videos. I'm sure that more than one will be to your liking. Thank you very much for watching the video, and we'll see you next time.